Hey everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Whiteboard 101, the series in which I answer your most important questions about cryptocurrencies in less than 2 minutes. And today we are answering the question, what is an airdrop? Now, an airdrop is a way to get cryptocurrency without paying for it. And I put paying in quotations because we know that nothing is really ever free, and to get this free crypto, you will have to pay by completing tasks, sharing on social media, promoting the coin, registering on an exchange, or some other means. Now, there's a variety of different types of airdrops. The first of these, and from what I've experienced, the most common is a promotional airdrop, which is a way to raise awareness about the coin. So they might come out and say, hey, share this article with 5 people on Twitter, follow our official Facebook account, and you will get 5 ROB tokens or 10 Tiger coins or whatever the case may be. And this is a way of promoting the coin without exposing the company to a lot of risk because they're not having to purchase Facebook ads with real money. They're simply giving away cryptocurrency that they have already created. So it's a low risk, high reward way of promoting a cryptocurrency. Another way is a reward airdrop. Now, with a reward airdrop, you will simply get a new cryptocurrency for holding an existing cryptocurrency. So the refund token airdropped renew token to people that held refund. Similarly, people that held ESH were airdropped McAfee's Ghost coin, right? So those do happen from time to time. Another way of getting airdropped crypto is through a fork. So people who held Bitcoin prior to the Bitcoin Cash fork automatically received an equivalent amount of Bitcoin Cash after the fork. In some cases, there's also a pure airdrop in which you don't complete social media tasks, you are simply sent cryptocurrency to your wallet address, such as in the example of the Kick token. But remember, there is always a catch, and people that received these Kick tokens really had them frozen in their account, and they couldn't unlock and do anything with these tokens until they registered on an exchange. So, in summary, an airdrop is simply a way that you can receive cryptocurrency without having to purchase it. There's always strings attached, so it's always best to do your research and see what is actually involved. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video useful, and I'll see you next time.